So, Blade Meet, now organised. 26th of May, 12 o'clock at the Triumph Visitor Factory Experience. Now, we went there last year and they were great hosts. Everyone else was messing me around, not replying to emails. Yeah, we'll get back to you. Nothing. Obviously, places last year wanted to charge us stupid amount of money to sit in the car park for an hour or two. When you get into the realms of having 150, 200 bikes, they want to have like things like security and catering and all that kind of nonsense going on. So, yeah, try straight away. Yep, come and see us again. It's a pleasure having you last year. Let's do it. So, yeah, all good. Come and join us. All years of Blade welcome. Other bikes welcome. You don't even have to bring a Honda. I mean, we're meeting at Triumph, for God's sake. Come and have a chinwag. We'll try and put every year together again, like we did back in 2022. May not be possible, but we'll have a go, eh? 26th of May, Triumph Factory Visitor Centre. I'll put the link to their website so you can find them on the map, and let's do it about 12 o'clock. What we might do is what we did last year and have a little ride from somewhere to there, probably the same. I can't remember the name of the services off the top of my head. Something east. It is a 2.5 hour journey for me. It's not like it's local, not like something I know that's just around the corner. I'm sure someone can answer. I was hoping to try and get number 100 and a couple of more Evo blades together, but unfortunately the guy who owns number 1, we all know who he is. He's not going to be back in the UK till about July, so maybe we'll set something up around that time to try and get quite a few Evo blades together, and we'll see. Just a quick little black out, little track around my area. I'll be coming up on a 954, of course. Just because it's such a great little bike. SB2, I was going to say SB2 then. SB1's coming along alright. Just getting the last flattening down on the single seat unit. Still waiting on my compensation from the accident from April. Oh, don't get angry at me. Before I can book it in, which is a shame because it's going to be 3 months, and we're now looking at what that's going to be June, maybe July before I get it back. But hopefully it'll be all worth it. Just having a little poodle out. Supposed to rain tomorrow, so I thought I'd get out quickly, stretch the legs. Good little track this. I prefer it on the SP because the SP, as stupid as it sounds, don't have that much power compared to the Blade. You can't really give the Blade a fistful out of a lot of these corners because you're just going to end up in a hedge. Used to come down here quite a bit a few years ago on my Aprilia RS 125, which obviously you can just hold wide open throttle the entire time, which was great fun, hearing that thing screaming, thinking you were Valentino Rossi. And then of course you get on a bigger bike and you think, oh god, I can't give it that much throttle, otherwise it's all going to end. But we're getting near the season. Couple of weeks, the clocks go forward. We'll all be out later. Beginning of April's when all the bike nights start. Hailing Island, Paul Key, Box Hill. I'm going to make a real effort to get to them. Maidstone into 2-strokes, into bikes 2-strokes. I think that's what they're called. Went out with them last year. Nice little ride. Great bit of fun. Anyone wants to come and meet up and go for a little ride, just give us a shout. I'm down the southeast. Don't mind having a little travel. What bike you got, what you're riding. You're sure you can put up with me waffling face to face rather than on a camera that you can, on a video that you can pause and stop and all that kind of banana stuff.